In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add HTML code to GoDaddy Website Builder. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open the Website Builder dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, find the website you want to update. Then click Edit Site to open the builder. Give the editor a moment to load completely. When it is ready, go to the specific page where you want to place your HTML code. This could be your home page, a landing page, or any other page on your website. Next, look for the option to add a new section, or open the section and block menu. In the available elements, search for the Embed HTML option, or a custom code widget. The exact name may vary slightly, depending on your version of GoDaddy Website Builder, but you are looking for the tool that allows you to insert custom HTML. Once you find it, drag and drop the HTML widget into the section where you want the code to appear. After placing it on the page, click the widget to open its settings or editing panel. Now paste your HTML code into the input box provided. Make sure you paste the full code exactly as intended. After that, take a moment to review everything carefully. Check that your tags are complete, that there are no missing characters, and that the code is formatted correctly for what you want to display. If the builder offers a preview option, use it to see how the HTML will appear on your page. This is an important step because it helps you confirm that the embedded content looks right and functions properly before you make it live. If everything looks good, click Save to keep your changes. Saving stores the update inside the builder, but it may not yet be visible to visitors. To make the new HTML code appear on your live website, click Publish or Go Live, depending on the label shown in your account. After publishing, visit your website and check the page to confirm that the HTML content displays correctly. If needed, you can return to the editor and make adjustments. This is the full process for adding HTML code to GoDaddy Website Builder. Follow these steps carefully, and you will be able to insert custom HTML into your site without much trouble. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.